Let's see how to edit the mobile version of your Wix website. Ensuring your Wix site is optimized for mobile devices enhances user experience and accessibility. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to customize your site's mobile view using the Wix editor. First, you need to log in your Wix account on your browser. Once you are in, click Design Your Website. At the top of the Wix editor, click the Switch to Mobile icon. And to customize your mobile site, review your site's elements in the mobile view. To adjust text size or style, tap on the text element and make the desired changes. Tap the Add button or the plus icon on the left panel and explore mobile-specific elements like the quick action bar or back to top button. Drag and drop the desired element onto your page. Tap Publish if you wish to. Click View Site to see the preview. That's how to edit the mobile version of your Wix website. See you soon!